In this video, I will show you how to contact a seller on Amazon. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to contact a seller on Amazon, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the item that you want to contact the seller for. So for example, if I go ahead and click onto this item here, this outdoor play area, once you're on the actual item page, what you want to do is come over to the right hand side. Now there's going to be some information about who this is sold by. So you can see this one's actually a third party seller. It's not sold by Amazon. It's a company called Wiki. And if we hover over where it says sold by, you can actually click onto this. And what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. On here, you're going to find some information about the seller. So you can see here it says about seller, and you generally will get a telephone number and email address, which you can use to, of course, contact the seller. Now, if you do have a question, you can click the box here, but this generally takes you across to Amazon's messaging center. So really, this is messaging Amazon. It's not really messaging the original seller. So to actually contact the original seller, you want to use the details on the About Seller page. Most items do have this. There's a couple of exceptions, like there might be some items that don't actually have it. But for example, if I go ahead and select another item, so for example, let's go ahead and click onto this item here. It's going to take us to the listing page. Again, as you can see on the right hand side, even though it's dispatched from Amazon, it's actually sold by a third party toy and gift emporium. So if we click here, it's going to take them to the About page. But as you can see, for this particular one, there's no actual phone number or email. Sometimes if you scroll down a bit, there's some detailed seller information down here. And generally, you're going to find an address. So you could do something like write a letter or something like that if you wanted to contact them. Or you could even search them on Google. For example, Toy and Gift Emporium. If I open up a new tab, come across to Google, and what I'm going to do is type this company into here. We can see we found them here. So if I actually click onto this, it's going to take them directly to the website. And at the top, you can see we got contact. So we can click there and actually message the seller and just put, obviously, it's in reference to Amazon. But yeah, that is pretty much how to contact the seller on Amazon. So with that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. So I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.